Yeah, it's a pilot project. This is the first this is the first pilot project which we are taking up with HAL. And down the line, in 6 months or 3 months, which comes up. So the actual when we are not going commercial in this particular project, then the costing would have been very higher side, on the higher side. If I'm looking for a carpentry workshop for training the students, the carpentry equipment, it would have costed me more than 1 lakh rupees. If I'm talking of per capital training per student, it would have been about 13,000, 12,500 to 13,000 rupees. So now the entire team integration, when we said that, okay, we will take it forward, the liaising between all these people has considerably reduced. And if I'm talking of individual per training cost per student today, it is minimum 1,000. In this context, this is not a commercial proposal actually. This is not anything which is into commercial. Commercial propositions are very different. They have, because we are reducing the placement charge here, which is coming up, which is already the placement is being provided by HAL. So our placement cost is very, very minimal, zero, because already students are being taken by HAL. Because today, once HAL has taken this particular project, they have promised that all these people will be placed. So my cost of about 5 to 6,000 rupees running about all the companies has considerably reduced. So 1,000 rupees, it's 25,000 rupees, which is very minimal, but the 25,000 rupees gives a beautiful life to all the people, the glitter in the eyes at the end of the program, when they receive the certificate, and when they come up with the ID card of HAL, I cannot express in words. We counsel them, we talk to their parents, we take them, we train them, and we give them I am not saying a livelihood, but we give them a skill set which makes them to be successful in their future. And HAL has supported with the first cause. We are launching ourselves with the first beautiful cause, and I think we will make it in a long run a successful one with a tie-up with HAL and different companies which are also looking into the same. We have to see, because we are a company which started 3 months back, so we have to see the growth pattern, how they are looking in. I can give the statistics only after 6 months, what is the skill development and what is the upgradation process in the salary hike or whatever it is. If that comes up, definitely we will be taking women. Solar. It's a maintenance of solar thing, which is very minimal, and people can be very easily getting a job and making it successful. And that depends upon the pocket to pocket. It is not on a wider scale, because as solar is expanding, the person who is coming up from a rural area can maintain in that area. If he or she completes ITI, electrical or any other background. So there is a huge demand in that, and they're looking forward for that. And secondly, in rural marketing part, 18 to 25 years. After that, we look into the family background of the student, the education, the interest of pursuing education. 3, the understanding of the skill set, technically. We conduct a simple test, which we call as a PAT, preliminary assessment test, in which we give basic mathematics, basic questioning and other parts. We understand that, okay, this man can do and work. And there is another process here. There are people who cannot write, even though they passed 8 and 10. What we do is that we have a personal interview question where we understand what is the skill set available with him. We take them after that preliminary processes. There are students who are so skilled that he is unable to express anything which is coming out. So what we do is that we have a series of tests which are being coming up during the training courses. So we try to build in such a way that once he comes into he will be able to do the things which have been assigned to him. So it's a comprehensive process in which it's not a single stop, say that, okay, I take 18 to 25, everyone walk in. No.